Hey guys, today we have Aneri who is sharing her interview experience of Western Digital. She is doing her masters in embedded systems from BITS Pilani. Let's begin.
Hi all, I am Aneri Desai. I got an offer from WD Sandis as a senior engineer. The overall process was divided into uh, two stages. First was a written test, and then we had an interview, and I had a 3 interview for this company. Like first two was technical, and third one was the HR. Uh, for this company, test had 4 sections: C programming, firmware, electronics, and aptitude. And basically, this company came for 3 positions, that is product design, which was VLSI domain position, then firmware development, and third one was testing. So as I was focusing for the firmware development profile, I prefer to attempt C programming, firmware, and aptitude section. C firmware and aptitude section has 10 questions each, and for electronic sections there were 15 questions. Each question was for 1 marks, and there was negative marking also, that was for 0.25, and duration for the test was 1 hour. In aptitude section, there were 10 questions, and level of difficulty was from simple to medium level. Questions were not at all difficult. Then in C section, there were 10 questions, and you can expect questions from control statement, then bit field concept, then user defined data types and all. Questions were like output based and concept based also. In firmware section, questions were from like character driver, block driver, then major number, minor number concept. Then there were few questions on system performance and uh, memory and storage based questions also in that section. And as I was focusing for firmware development profile, I didn't attempted any question from electronics section, but you can expect digital electronics and analog electronic based question in that section. For aptitude, I have prepared from RS Agarwal, and I have enrolled for test series provided by the college. So I used to give it on alternate days. You can also enroll, many test series are available online, so you can enroll that and practice from that. For C, I have practiced questions from Geeks for Geeks and India Bix, and I also used to give free test series available for C question online. In first round was totally technical. Initially, I was asked to brief about the all the projects which I have done. So I have explained all the projects in like 2 to 3 lines, which I have done in embedded system and Linux drivers subject. Then gradually, they, after describing the project on Linux device driver, gradually conversation moved to in device driver domain only, and they asked me the question about character drivers uh, and other device driver related concepts. Then they asked me questions on C. After that, uh, few questions were on embedded systems like communication protocol like I2C, UART, and SPI. Like basically, they have given one system, and I asked to like which protocol is best and how system will perform using which protocol. So this type of questions were asked in this round. The second round was approximately for 40-45 minutes. Initially, they asked me to explain my embedded system project, and then they asked me, after that they asked me some managerial question or HR type question, that where do you see yourself in 5 years. Then they asked me about my family and where I had my education and all. And then in this round they explained me in detail the profile they were offering, so that I had an idea that whether I want to work or whether will like the work or not. Third round was HR round, which was last for almost 30 minutes. Initially, they asked me to like my experience, like what I like and dislike about the whole WD hiring process. Then they asked me I have a gap between my graduation and post graduation, so they asked me about my gap. Then they asked me I have a 2 years of experience in TCS, working experience in TCS. So they asked me that how was like the transition transition from corporate world to academic, like how you adjust to it. And then they also asked working experience at TCS, that what was the negative side of it and what was the positive side of it, and what I liked and disliked about working at TCS. Later, they asked me the toughest situation in my life and how I handle that situation. So you can expect this type of behavioral question in HR round, and like you should know the positive and negatives of the all the situation you had, so you can give better answer. Because in most of the question they expect the positive and negative sides of the situation. So giving only positive answers will also not work all the time. So you should be prepared for that. So if you are focusing for firmware development profile, you can focus is on these subjects like C programming, computer architecture, RTOS, then embedded systems, and Linux device drivers. So for RTOS and embedded systems, I have referred class notes only. And for embedded system, we were taught ARM architecture. So you can take a specific architecture and uh, do prepare on it, and it will be helpful in your interview. For C programming, I have referred Geeks for Geeks, and for data structure and other few concepts, I have used my Code School YouTube channel. Then for computer architecture, operating system, and data structure, I also referred the gate notes for the preparation of interview, and as it will also helpful in test also. Uh, the placement season lasts for long duration. So it may happen that you might not get placed in initial days. So have a patience and keep improving yourself by asking your friends who got placed, and take feedbacks from that. You can also arrange the mock interviews by them, so you can improve yourself better and better, and try to grab the opportunity whenever you get it. So all the best.